Hi, my name's Elias. I'm the General Manager of Dolphin Solutions. We're an IT company. Been around for about 30 years. We do networking, security cameras and audio. Amazon State approached us to install their audio system. We went to one of our suppliers, Grip Technologies, that helped us out in the decision making. They offered the Quest speakers and NST system. Our engineers installed it on a multi-level, multi-zone environment. So Amazon State came back to us with a bit of feedback. They've been open now for about 8 weeks, and the feedback was quite simple. They love the system. Their DJs that play love the system. Their workers love the system because it's easy to use. What we love about it is, from a technical point of view, the system was quite easy to install. So basically, using any source from the iPad, the sound is transmitted to a NST system. From there, we're using the PC to distribute the sound into different levels of the venue, different speakers, also subwoofers. And we also put limits on these speakers so we don't blow them, of course, because you've got DJs who want to ramp up the sound. The NST software was quite easy to use and allowed us to have more control over the whole venue. Amazon State had a budget for their audio. At the same time, obviously, they want the best system in place. So we had to compromise, went to Grip Technologies, and at the end we found out there wasn't much of a compromise. It was a great system and everybody loved it, so we're pretty happy. Like from the Quest speakers to the NST system, it's magic. So looking towards the future, I think we're definitely going to use this elsewhere, and we believe it's a great system for venues like this.